Good afternoon. We have seen some of the question which should be asked in a GATE exam. That's why we have to be seeing the some of the question related things. Okay. We have seen this first two question. First two question about this. First, with respect to logic circuit, we have seen. Another, we have seen the seen the first two question. After all, we have to be seen the output expression for the K-map shown below, right? Which are the equation for it? We have to be seen the things, right? So we know that about the K-map, right? How we have to be calculate the value of K-map. See, for that purpose, one is coming, only that point should be considered. Okay, these are for one. Okay, one. Here is one. Okay, only these things means one is. There is one, only that thing should be considered. Okay, for these one, all is one, right? All is one indicate that it doesn't impact on this 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This should be cancelled to each other, right? That's why only this one is remaining. Okay, this one indicate that your equation contain see, if the 0, it should be bar. One indicate that it is not it is same as like as earlier thing. Okay, it is a right equation for this. You know about the row and column equation. Okay, for the row equation, one is only here. Okay, for that one. Okay, column equation 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 4. So this one is all four times. That's why they cancel each other. Only one is remaining. This one is nothing but a. Okay, a. If 0 is coming, in that case a bar we have to be written. Okay, now see, we have seen the BC. Okay, BC, for that purposes we have seen the this is going. Okay, this is nothing but a plus. Now your equation plus. Now this one and this one. Okay, for that purpose what we have to do, see how we have to be do the equation related to the same. You know about the K-map technique. You know concept of rolling of the particular thing means this one roll with this ending one, right? This is also possible. This one is ruling with respect to this. That's why we have to be calculate the equation with respect to this. Okay, see, one of the important condition with respect to KMF is that when we have to be considered as a, if same thing means consider as a here, this is a 0 0, this is 1 0. Why we have to be see this thing? Okay, because we have seen that this is 1 1, this is 1. Okay, so we have to be consider this 10 point and 00 point only. Okay, now how we have to be consider this? See, rolling indicate that circulation, right? If this map is circulating, in that case this one is coming with respect to this one. That's why we have to be use this each other. Okay, so your column element content 0 0 1 0. Okay, so 0 1. Okay, 0 and this one cancel each other because opposite thing. Okay, cancel each other. Same 0 0 0 0 indicate that now this is for C. Okay, C, but 0 indicate that bar. Okay, C bar. Now see how we have to be calculate the total equation for it. See, this is the thing. Okay, for that purposes, this all is one, all is one. So we doesn't consider the this column element 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. We doesn't consider because if they have to be considered cancel to each other. Okay, now this one is required only. So this one is nothing but a. Okay, a is first unit plus, now plus for that 2, right? For that to find that used C, when we have to be use this map K map as, and they have to be rolled with circulation of that one. In that case they have connecting each other, right? So that's why here is a 0 0, here is a 1 0. Okay, 0 0 1 0. Okay, now this is nothing but a rolling of this, rolling of this. It indicate that 0 is cancelled. Okay, 0 is cancelled. Sorry, 0 1 is cancelled. This 0 is only remaining. It is nothing but a C bar. Okay, C bar. So your equation is, here is A, here is, now tell me which is the answer for it. For that whole thing it is a A. Okay, for that rolling 0 0 only remaining, it is nothing but a C bar. Now for that A bar, for that C bar. Now tell me answer. In case of KMAP, we have to be added these two things. Okay, A plus C bar, A plus B bar. This is not answer. A plus C bar, right? This is the answer. Okay, why it is the answer? Because when we have to be calculate the KMAP for this equation, we have calculated the thing equation for this A, equation for that it is a C bar. Okay, A plus C bar is the answer for it. Lakshat alay ka? Did you understand the concept? Please give me reply. If you understand, please tell me. If you not, did you understand? Yes or no? Please give me reply. Some same type of question asked in your tomorrow's test. Huh? Okay. Now see, second. Now to calculate this thing, you have to write something, right? In the 4:1 multiplexer, the output F is given by F is equal to A XOR B. Find the required input I3, I2, I1, I0. About the XOR gate, we know that A XOR B. For that purposes, we have to be calculate the thing for the XOR gate. XOR gate indicate that, write down equation for that question. A XOR B. A XOR B indicate that A bar B plus AB bar. This is the equation for your XOR gate. Okay, so any of the XOR gate we have to be taken the output. In that case, when we have to be consider A and B, these are the two input, then your output is A bar B plus AB bar. This is nothing but a XOR B. Okay, now consider A bar, consider as a 0, B as a 1, A as a 1, B bar as a 0. Write down the things. See what they have to tell. F is equal to A XOR B. Okay, A XOR B. So we have to be write the actual thing of A XOR B. A XOR B indicate that A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, this is the equation for A XOR B. This is for XOR gate. Okay, now A bar B plus A B bar, right? So you have to write bar 0 1 normal equation. It is a 1. Okay, so A bar 0 B 1 plus A 1 B bar 0. Okay, now what they have to do, they have to tell that in the 4:1 multiplexer the output F is given by A XOR B. Find the required input I3 I2 I1 I0. Now whatever the things 0 1 1 0, right? For that purpose start up from your 0 I3 for 0 I3, for 1 I2, for 1 I1, and for I0 0. Okay, now see A XOR gate, A XOR B. We know that A XOR B is equation A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, for that according to we have to be write the bar indicate 0 and the without bar it should be considered as a 1. So your equation is 0 1 1 0. Okay, now write down what they have to be tell. Find the required input. Now I3 I2 I1 0. Start up with the 0 1 1 0. Okay, I3 I2 I1 0. What they have to tell, see I3 I2 I1 0. This is the whatever the input provided. Okay, now we have got the things with respect to us is 0 1 1 0. Okay, means when we have to be providing the input as like a 0 1 1 0, only that time your output is F is we got. Okay, see here 1 0 1 0, it is not answer. 0 1 1 0 5, this is the answer. See, when we have to be calculate the thing with respect to XOR gate, in that case we have to be seen the things, means we know that XOR gate indicate that I3 A XOR B. A XOR B is nothing but a 0 1 1 0. Okay, this is the thing. So that's why we have to be written as a 0 1 1 0, because they have already given the I3 I2 I1 0 value. Okay, I3 I2 I1 I0. Okay, for that purpose we have to be written as a 0 1 1 0, right? If it is given to this thing, we got the output as a F, because F is nothing but a XOR B. For that A XOR B we have to be written as an 0 1 1 0, right? So your answer is 0 1 1 0. Did you understand this? Yes or no? ऋतुजा गाडगे, ऋतुजा गाडगे, did you understand? Arti Doble, did you understand? Yes or no? Please tell me yes or no. If you don't tell anything, then I consider you have got it. Okay. This type of question asked in tomorrow's test. See, next problem. Which of the see all that question which as I here draw that should be asked in a earlier GATE exam, right? So this is a question related to the GATE exam. Okay. Which of the following logic circuit is a realization of the function whose K-map is given in a figure? Okay, this is the thing. Okay, now what they have to told that, see, this is the K-map, right? This is the K-map. In that K-map there are some field they have to be written as a 1 1. So we have to be first prepare the equation of for that, and again we have to be which is the equation coming for that option, right? Accordingly we have to be select which is the answer, right? So initially we have to be calculate the K-map equation for that case. Okay, now see we know that C is here, AB is here. Okay. Now C, we just consider this is 1 Okay. For that one, we have to be calculate the equation first. Okay. This one indicate that C, right? C. For that C, you have to be written as a 0. 0 indicate that C bar. Okay. C bar. C bar. After all, this for this row element we have to be written as a C bar because 0 is here, so that's C bar. Okay, this 0 0 0 1. Okay, so if different thing are cancelled each other, so 0 1 cancelled, only 0 is remaining here. Okay, only 0 is remaining here. This 0 AB. Okay, the 0 indicate that A bar. Why? Because 0 indicate that bar, 1 indicate that it is as usual equation. Okay, 0 0 0 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1, 0, this 0 and this 1 cancel each other, only 0 is remaining, so this 0 indicate that A bar. Okay, A bar, and this is C bar. Okay, your equation is, now tell me your equation. This is your C bar, this is your, here is your A bar. Okay, so your equation is A bar dot C bar. How it is, I am tell you. See, when we have to be calculate this 2 1 equation for this one, so for that purposes we have written this 0. It is a common for it. This 0 indicate that C, right? For that C, 0 indicate that bar, so C bar is for that. Okay, C bar. For that 0 0 0 1. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 is 0, this 0 and this one opposite, so that's why they have to be cancelled. Only this 0 and this 0 are only remaining. Okay, the 0 indicate that A and 0 indicate that bar, so A bar C bar, this is the equation for that. Okay, after all that we have to be seen this thing. Okay, for that purposes we have seen this as a C, phi C, because this is the one. Okay, for your row element it is a C written. Okay, plus C is written for that. For that cases, for that two, 1 is only common, this 0 and this one cancel each other. So this one indicate that B. Okay, your equation is BC. Okay, phi BC. See in this case, 1 indicate that C. For that, these these two things, 0 1 and 1 1. Okay, why? Because here 1, here 1. So both column element is 0 1 and 1 1. Okay, so 0 1 1 1. So this 0 and this 1 is cancel each other, only 1 is remaining, so it is nothing but a B. Okay, B and this is C, so your equation is BC. Okay, so your equation for this is A bar C bar. Okay, A bar C bar plus BC, this is the equation for it. So which shows that this equation, this is your answer. Okay, see this, this is a, which type of gate? Tell me which type of this gate? Not and or NAND nor XOR XNOR. Tell me which type of this gate? Anyone please tell me which type of this gate? See, basically this is a NAND type of the gate, because this is AND gate, we have connected the bar, that's why it is a NAND type of gate. So only one input is connected across your output, so that your output, whatever the input applied, that should be exactly opposite. So it is nothing but a bar. A bar is coming across here. Okay, this BC is connected, this is a AND gate. Okay, so it is nothing but a multiplication of B and C, so it is nothing but a BC. Okay, BC. So what we have to do, here A bar is coming here, here BC is coming here, so A bar into BC, phi into C, this is nothing but a AND gate. So your answer is A bar into BC, because A bar is coming here, BC is coming here, so both things are multiply each other, because this is the AND gate. Okay, A bar into BC, right? This is the answer. No, this is not answer with respect to us, because whatever the answer coming from here, our answer is A bar C bar plus BC. This is the answer for us. So that's why this is not answer. Okay, then we have to be seen this. For that, a bar, see output of NAND gate, only one is input is applied across here. So a bar is input. Okay, a bar. Okay, a bar is a is applied, output is a bar. BC, see BC is applied here, and this is a AND gate. So your output is BC. Okay, a bar, now BC. Okay, for that input we have to be use the OR gate. So it is nothing but a bar plus BC. Why BC? Because whatever the output coming for this is a bar, for that output it is a BC. So OR gate indicate that addition of both things. Okay, so a bar plus BC. So your answer is a bar plus BC. It is also not your answer. Why it is not answer? Because see, when you have to be calculate, in that case your answer is a bar C bar plus BC. Okay, now see this thing, right? For that thing we have to be written as a equation. For that, see, a input is applied, only one is input applied, so NAND gate output is a bar. Okay, a bar. Then after all we have seen that C is applied across here. Okay, C is applied across here commonly, and that part again applied to the below. We doesn't it consider now a bar here, C bar, output of this is C bar. Okay, so a bar C bar. Okay, this is applied here, so both things. So a bar C bar. Okay, a bar C bar is, a bar is coming here, C bar is coming here, both things are multiplied. So your answer coming across here is a bar C bar. Okay, a bar C bar. Okay, now here C bar is again connected below. See, C bar is connected to below, so it is a C and this B, so it is nothing but a BC. Is it right? C is upper side, B is here, so it is nothing but a BC, right? BC, right? So here what they have to already given a bar C bar, right? A bar C bar. Here BC is coming, right? This is the OR gate. So your answer is a bar C bar is for upper level. This is a BC. So addition of it plus BC. This is your answer. Okay, a bar C bar plus BC. We have already written the things. That is, when we have to be calculated from here, it is the answer of a bar C bar plus BC. Okay, no need of the further calculation, because whatever the output coming from this K-map, that should be answer of this. So your answer for that equation is option number C. See how it is. Did you understand? Tell me. Because whatever the outcome coming from this is nothing but a bar C bar plus BC. Okay, so same equation is coming with respect to this. That's why these two are same. So your answer is option number 3, that is a C. Okay, Lakshat alay ka? Did you understand the things? Now please give me reply. See, we have seen the next question. See, whatever the question I'm discussed here, that should be, that means related to same or equivalent to them asked for your tomorrow's exam. Okay, why UV semiconductor is electrically neutral in nature? This is the theoretical question which should be asked in a GATE exam 2005, right? This is for 1 mark. Okay, see, you know about the semiconductor indicate that, see, there are 3 type of material: conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Conductor indicate that the device which the component which have highest amount of the conductivity. Semiconductor indicate that the conductivity lies in between conductor and the insulator. Conductor and the insulator, right. So third thing is your insulator. Insulator is the device which should have 0 or less conductivity, right, or no conductivity. Okay, I'm again define the 3 things, that is conductor, semiconductor, and insulator, right? Conductor is the device which have highest conductivity. Okay, then we have to be tell that semiconductor. The semiconductor is the device which should have conductivity in between the conductor and the insulator. Okay, now we have seen the third thing, semiconductor. semiconductor related concept, right? Semiconductor, why the semiconductor is electrically neutral? Well, see, we know that about the proton and electron structure, right? So see, when any of the device have the same number of proton and electron, in that case they have not switching here and there, okay? They have act as like a stable, okay? So for that purposes, for the semiconductor, whatever the proton and whatever the electron, that are the equal, okay? So we have seen the things, same number of electron. This is not answer, because not only same number of electron, that in that case same number of the proton and electron, right? So this is not answer, same number of proton and electron, right? See, I'm already told you, when any device which should be considered as a neutral, in that case they have same number of proton and electron, right? So here the option they have given same number of proton and electron, this is the answer. We have seen again option, other option also, different number of proton and electron, not. If the different number of proton and electron, it indicates that they are not neutral, right? See, if any of the neutral device indicate that they have different number of the same number of the proton and electron only. If they have different number of proton and electron, so valency changes, so they have not act as like as neutral, okay? None of the above, right? So for that purpose, none of the above is not answered, because we know that for the semiconductor, same number of the proton and the same number of electron, that's why they have to be act as like as neutral nature, okay? These are the some site where you have to see detail of that question. We have seen again some question. See, this question asked for the 1990 of the GATE exam, okay? For the same AC voltage and load impedance, which of the following statement about the rectifier are correct? You know about the rectifier, just some means when we have to discuss the question in that time, we have discussed some of the part related to it, okay? Because the question asked on the rectifier is not only this type of, there are so many other questions also asked, so that we just see the some generalized stuff related to the rectifier. Rectifier indicate that it is the device which should convert the AC to DC voltage. We know that there are basically two types: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier also two types: full wave center type, full wave base type rectifier. Okay, these are the things. Now, rectifier is the device which should convert the AC voltage into the. Now tell me what rectifier does. I'm already told you in a one lecture what rectifier does. Anyone tell me? If you are not telling the answer, I'm not telling further. Please tell me what rectifier does. Simple type of the question. What rectifier does? Venkatesh Gaikwad. What rectifier does? Suraj Dudar. Please tell me what rectifier does. See, rectifier is the device. You don't have given any response. See, rectifier is the device which should convert the AC voltage into the pulsating DC. See, pulsating indicates that it is a not pure DC. It contains some part of the AC. Okay, this is not acceptable in some cases. Some cases indicate that some sophisticated application, if variation in the voltage, this is not acceptable. It may cause damage of the devices. So we doesn't use the this type of the things. Okay, so for that purpose we have to use the filter type of the circuit. After all, we have to use the filter as well as the regulator option. Okay, these are the something related to the rectifier. Okay, for the same AC voltage and load impedance, which of the following statement about rectifier are correct? Okay, they have already given answer, but why that answer? See, the average load current in a full wave rectifier is twice than in a half wave rectifier. Now see, we have already seen that half wave rectifier indicate that it is the rectifier which should be working on only one half cycle. Okay, so other half cycle there is not output, right? So what it indicate that fully rectifier have twice, right? Because see, when we have to be considered the half rectifier, it have considered as a half output because it have only worked in a only single half cycle, but fully it work in a two, that is positive as well as negative half cycle. So this a statement that is right, right? Okay, the average load current in a fully rectifier in n times that in a half rectifier. No, it is not things, right? The average load current in a fully rectifier is n times that in a half rectifier, because only see, we know that whatever the output coming with respect to half rectifier, that only twice of the half rectifier. Okay, n time it is not possible. What they told, see, if the output of half rectifier is considered as a 5 volt, then fully rectifier have n times voltage. It is not possible. So this second B statement is wrong. Okay, half wave rectifier will have a bigger size of transformer compared to the full wave rectifier. Okay, half wave rectifier will have bigger size of transformer compared to the full wave rectifier. Is it right? What they tell? See, half wave rectifier indicate that this type of the rectifier which should be work only one half cycle. So whatever the rectifier, whatever the transformer required, that is a small size compared to the full wave, right? What they have told, size of that half wave rectifier means transformer required for half wave, they have told that larger size of the transformer. It is a wrong thing, because when we have required the transformer for the full wave, it should be more sized than that of your half wave, right? They have opposite thing, they have to be written here. So this is also not answer. Okay, now half wave rectifier will have small size transformer compared to the full wave rectifier. Is it right? Right? So size of the half wave rectifier transformer small because less amount of voltage they have to be convert AC into DC. Okay, so your answer A, this is average load current in a full wave rectifier is twice than in a half wave rectifier. This A and this D, half wave rectifier will have small size transformer compared to the full wave rectifier. These two answer. So your answer is here, A and D. If you have more detail, in that case you have to visit this. Okay, now see, we have seen the next question. This question asked in a GATE 2022 exam of your electrical department. Okay, single phase full bridge diode rectifier fed from a 230 volt 50 ohm sinusoidal source supplies a series combination of finite resistance R and a very large inductance L, the two most dominant frequency component in the source current are. See, dominant type of the frequency, what it indicates. Now see, when we have to be, see, a single phase full bridge diode rectifier fed from 230 volt 50 ohm sinusoidal source supplies a series combination of finite resistance R and very large inductance L. Then, the two most dominant frequency. Now see, when we have to be considered as an this rectifier, that is full bridge rectifier, in that case dominant frequency indicate that when we have to be convert the AC voltage into the DC voltage, right? There are dominant frequency coming with respect to the for that one of the equation, right? This is the one of the Fourier series equation for it, that is 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 equal to 135, right? Summation up to the infinity 4I0 pi sin of n omega t. This is the equation, Fourier series equation for the calculation of this equation. Okay, what it indicate that when we have to be seen the dominant frequency, right? Dominant frequency indicate that odd number of frequency. Okay, so for that purposes, odd number of frequency should be coming in a dominant in case of your configuration, right? So see, odd number of indicate that here they have to be till 135. Okay, 135. Okay, now see, 150 hertz, 250 hertz, 50 hertz, 0 hertz, 50 hertz, 100 hertz, 50 hertz, 150 hertz, right? So what they have to tell only 1 and 3, right? 1 and 3, n is equal to 1 and 3. When dominant is coming, in that case one frequency. So tell me, what is the Indian frequency of electricity? Please tell me, what is the Indian power frequency, electricity? Please tell me, what is the frequency of Indian electricity power? Please tell me. Okre Sainath. Okre Sainath. 50 hertz. 50 hertz is the frequency of power. Okay. So for that purposes, n is equal to 135. Okay. 1 indicate that 50. 3 indicate that 50 into 3. It is a 150. Okay. Now 50 into 150. 50, 150. That is the thing with respect to it. They have already given. See, below is the how that particular answer. See, the most dominant frequency component in the above expression are 3f and 3f. That is the most dominant. Okay. So f 3f indicate that, f indicate that 50 hertz, 3f indicate that 150 hertz. Okay. That's why your answer is C. 50 hertz and 150 hertz, because dominant frequency for that configuration is 135, and first thing is 1 and 3. Okay, 1 indicate that first frequency, it is nothing but a 50. Then third indicate that 50 into 3, it is a 150. Okay, after all, 5 indicate that 250. Okay, so your answer is 50 hertz and 150 hertz. Okay, dominant frequency, because this is the equation. This equation shows that 1 3 frequency that should be coming in a first, that should be dominant. That's why 1 for 50, third for 150. I have solved this type of the see these. In the circuit shown below, X and Y are digital inputs and Z is a digital output. The equivalent circuit is, now how we have to be calculate the equivalent circuit. Okay, for that purposes we have to be calculate the particular value. Okay, see, we have to be calculate the value. See, X is the input. See, X is input applied to the NOT gate. Okay, so whatever thing coming across here, right, that is a X bar. Okay, X bar is coming across here. X bar, that should be, means whatever the X bar coming, that should be applied to the AND gate. Okay, here X bar, here Y input is directly applied here. So X bar is here, Y is here, that should be multiplied, because this is the AND gate. X bar Y is coming across here. X bar Y is coming across here. Okay, now after all, we have seen the second thing. For that purpose, Y is again applied to here. Okay, it is nothing but a applied to the NOT gate. It is a Y bar. Okay, Y bar. Okay, then this X is again coming here. This X is coming here, so it is a X. Okay, X Y bar. Okay, why it is? Because see, X, this X is coming across here, this Y inverted, so X Y bar. Okay, X bar Y, X Y bar, upper level, this is the whatever the equation coming across here, that is a X bar, this is the Y. So your multiplication of both, so it indicates that X bar Y. Okay, X bar Y, and from here Y is coming here, so Y bar is coming here, so X is coming here, so X Y bar, because this is the AND gate, X Y bar. Okay, that both things means X bar Y plus X Y bar. How it is? See, whatever the output coming from this, it is X bar Y. From that, it is a xy bar. Okay, xy bar. Both things are coming with respect to the addition. So your answer is x bar y plus xy bar. Okay, so we know that we have seen the answer for the above equation, right? See, x nor get, right? X nor get indicate that a x nor b, right? X nor b. Okay, x nor indicate that whatever the equation, whatever the output coming for your XOR gate, okay, XOR gate indicate that a bar b, okay, a bar b, okay, opposite to that indicate that a bar b we have written as a one of the bar on it, okay. So XOR gate indicate that a XOR b, a XOR b, we have taking bar on it. So this is nothing, because whatever the output coming, that is a other than that of this is, because x bar y plus xy bar. Okay, NOR gate, the equation coming for NOR gate, it is a normally or gate x plus y bar. This is the equation of your NOR gate. Okay, OR gate indicate that addition of both things. This is nothing but xy. NOR indicate that we have taken bar on it. So x plus y bar. This is also not your answer. Okay, NAND gate. NAND gate indicate that multiplication of that and the bar is taken. So it is nothing but a xy bar. This is not also answer. XOR gate. Now see, XOR gate indicate that. See, XOR gate indicate that we know that x and y, that are the two input. Okay, so we know that XOR, so it is nothing but a x XOR y, right? It is nothing but a first equation x bar y plus x y bar. Okay, XOR gate, we know that our XOR combination of A and B, A XOR B indicate that A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, for that purposes, we have to be written as a x bar y plus x y bar. Okay, this is the things XOR gate. We have already answered, that is a x bar y plus x y bar. Okay, so that's why this combination is nothing but a combination of your XOR gate. Okay, I'm again tell you this thing. Okay, लक्षात आलंय का? Did you need of the more explanation related to the same? Please tell me. Please reply. See, this is x is applied here. So whatever thing coming across here, x bar y is applied here. So x bar y is coming across here. X bar y is coming across here. Now whatever thing coming from here, that is a y is coming here. So it is not get, so y bar. This is x y bar. So these things are multiply each other. So x bar y. See here, whatever thing coming, that is a xy bar. Xy bar. Okay, this means whatever the output coming from here, x bar y, whatever the output coming from here, that is xy bar. Okay, so these thing are added because this is the OR gate. So your answer is x bar y plus xy bar. Okay, we know that XOR gate, we know that XOR gate. So if A and B are the two input, in that case, equation for it, A XOR B. Okay, XOR B indicate that A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so it is whatever the output coming from this, it is same as like as this equation, that is x bar y plus xy bar. So that's why this is the equation of XOR gate. Okay. See, what will be the function of comparator and schemic trigger? See, comparator indicate that what it does, square wave generator actually. Schemic trigger is also square wave generator. In case of digital circuit, whatever the input applied across your comparator, that should be compared with respect to each other. So output of comparator is a square wave, schemic trigger also square wave. Okay, now see whatever the option. what will be the function of comparator and schematic trigger? Comparator are the simplest way to create a binary signal with an op-amp. Okay. See, we have see all the things and then we have to tell related to the answer. Okay. It uses a voltage divider to improve the performance of the comparator in the presence of noise. This is not answer. I don't know about first, but this is not answer because it uses a voltage divider. There should not, in case of comparator, there should not be use of any voltage divider network to improve the performance of the comparator. Okay, so this is not an answer. Then we have seen the both have output in triangular view. This is also not answer because see, whatever the output coming with respect to comparator, that is a square wave. Okay, square wave. Okay. None of the above. None of the above is one of the answer, or comparator are the simplest way to create a binary signal with an op-amp. Okay, these only two the things which should be considered. Okay, now see, comparator are the simplest way to create a binary signal with an op-amp. Okay, binary signal, how it should be create? See, binary signal is nothing any other. See, nothing any other than 1 and 0. Okay, now see, whatever the thing that should be created by this comparator, that is also the square wave. Square wave indicate that it have only two level, that is 0 and 1. Okay, so 0 level indicate that your whatever the square wave that should be start up with 0 and end up with 1. Okay, so comparator are the simplest way to create a binary signal. This is somewhat right. And another answer, none of the above, it is not possible because something related to first point is us. Okay, because we know that in this case, if we have to be apply any type of signal, see any type of either your triangular wave, sine wave, or any of the wave we have to be applied. A comparator should does that signal into the comparison with respect to square wave. Square wave indicate that it have two level, either 0 or 1. Okay, so it should be convert that level into the 0 and 1, that is the form of your binary signal, right? So comparator are the simplest way to create a binary signal with an op-amp. This is the answer for that question. Okay, what will be the function of comparator and schematic trigger? Okay, this is the function of the comparator. Okay, this is the answer for comparator, but one part is remaining with respect to schematic trigger, right? Schematic trigger is also the device which should also convert the your whatever the input applied, that also convert into the square wave. Okay, so whatever the function of comparator, that also the function of the schematic trigger. Okay, so in this case answer is A, that is comparator, and the only here they have to be they have not written with respect to schematic trigger, but whatever the output of your comparator and whatever the output of your schematic trigger, that both have the output, that is a square wave. Okay, first answer. Okay, now see the basic difference between analog signal and digital signal. Now see, what do you mean by analog signal? The signal which changes with respect to time, that is called as analog signal. The digital signal is the signal which should be changes with two distinct levels, that is 1 and 0. Okay, see option we have seen. An analog signal is an electric signal whose value varies continuously over time. This is also one of the answer. Okay, we have seen another. A signal can take on only finite value as the input varies over time. Okay, see, and signal is an electric signal whose value varies continuously over time. This is nothing but analog signal. Okay, continuously varying. Now see, a signal can take on only finite value as the input varies over time. Okay, this is for the digital signal. Okay, now see, a signal value does not change. This is not possible. In case of analog, this will be varying. Also digitally, it should be varying from only two types, that is 1 and 0. Okay, so C is not answer. None of the above. This is also not answer. Okay, now your answer must be contained A and B part. Okay, A and B part. Okay, so whatever the option given for that, it is a next option, that is a only A and B, right? They have not given here because option as they have given, that should be changed. Okay, now see, in this case the basic difference between analog and digital signal is an signal is an electric signal whose value varies continuously over time. A signal can only finite values of as the input varies over time. Okay, these two things are the same. Okay, means with respect to this, it is a analog, it is a digital. Okay, difference between analog and digital, this thing defines. Okay, so what they have to tell, the basic difference. Now see what is the difference for it. C and D, C is not answer. Okay, A and B that are answer. Okay, why that answer? Because A indicate that signal is an electric signal whose value varies continuously over time. This is nothing but an analog signal. Signal can take only finite value. It is nothing but a digital value. Okay, but what they have told, they told that basic difference between analog signal and digital signal. Okay, this is not answer, this is not difference, it is only related to the analog signal, it is only related to the digital signal. Okay, so the answer signal value does not change, this is also wrong, this is, and this is also wrong. Why? Because they have told that what is the difference, this is not difference between both, right? So your answer is none of the above. Did you understand why the none of the above is answer? See, whatever the answer they have to given in the first option, that is, an signal is an electric signal whose value varies continuously over time. This is the answer for analog signal. This B is the answer for the digital signal, right? So separately, this is for analog, this is for digital. This is not difference. So that's why A and B, that is not answer. Okay. Then C, signal value does not change. This is also not answer because signal value must be changed. Okay, none of the above is the answer because all three are not answer. Okay, so fourth is your answer, none of the above. The answer for it, it is only the none of the above. Last question. A device invention causes there is a tremendous development in integrated circuit technology. See, op-amp, transistor, FET, diode. I just first detail that transistor when it is evolved, there should be largest development in a computer technology. Okay, transistor is the answer for it. We have seen the last 1-2 question only. Normally more and more application of type of the transistor. See, this is the question asked in the GATE exam, right? Normally more and more application of that type of the transistor. See, there are two types of the transistors, NPN and PNP. NPN have 2n 1p, right? 2n indicates that there should be more number of electrons. So NPN type of transistor have more application. So answer is NPN. Okay, 9, 10, only 2 questions remaining. 9, the transistor have analog application, digital application, both analog and digital, none of the above. See, both analog and digital. Transistor, you have analog as well as digital application. Okay, last question we have seen. What will be the output of Fourier rectifier? Sine wave, pulsating DC, DC, regulated DC. See, pulsating DC is the answer because pulsating DC is the output of your rectifier. A circuit that produces a continuous signal of the some type without the need of any input, that is called as oscillator. See, oscillator we doesn't apply any input, feedback path gives the output. Okay, this is the thing. Tomorrow is the test for AD. Some of the question related to this as well as mathematical problem, we should be whatever we have given related to the same question asked for your exam. Okay, tomorrow your exam of AD. Okay, stop now. Okay.